Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this YouTube gaming thumbnail pack for Adobe Photoshop. This is RAR file. You can download link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. Extract is done. Now open this folder. Now you can see there have so many folder. First open font folder. There are all the fonts in it. Free fonts. Select and install all the fonts. See how I do this. Click this option and then click. These are installed. Now you have to do is come out of this folder and see this folder, so you can see there are 10 folders, each with a different thumbnail. Yoga workout YouTube thumbnail will make it easy for you to create your own awesome looking banners in just a few minutes. This design is clean and professional. This is followed for thumbnail template. It is very beautiful project. Then next, Fortnite thumbnail template. Then I will show you all these. Now I am opening this gaming 51 template. And it shows how to edit it. Notice on the right, there have effect, text, skin back bling, tool, background. You can change everything. First I'm change the skin. You can see your stock, then double click here. You can see here I am going to give a new image. You can see these on and off from here. Here it is written your portrait image, so I opened it, and open this also. I'll take a look. Then save it. This has changed, so now I am changing the text. Here you can write your text, well, no problem. This gaming YouTube thumbnail pack will make it easier for you to create your own awesome looking banners in just a few minutes. Perfect template to live streaming, gaming, game, stream, vlog and more. Layers are very well organized and structured. You can easily customize the design and color as per your need. Design is clean and professional. These are very simple. You can do as you like. Here each project file is different. You can use YouTube thumbnail for Facebook thumbnail. Hopefully there will be no problem. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.